Welcome to our channel. We have an exciting update for Zoho WorkDrive and Microsoft Outlook users. To get started, you need to install the Zoho WorkDrive add-in from Microsoft AppSource. Search for Zoho WorkDrive and click Get It Now. Follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your Outlook. Before you start, make sure you have active Microsoft and Zoho WorkDrive accounts. You'll need these to use the integration. Once installed, open Outlook and go to the Home tab. You'll see the Zoho WorkDrive icon in the ribbon. Click on it to log into your Zoho account and connect WorkDrive with Outlook. This integration enhances productivity, simplifies file management, and improves collaboration directly from your inbox. With this integration, you can easily attach files from WorkDrive, save email attachments directly to WorkDrive, and create shareable links without leaving Outlook. Manage your WorkDrive files without leaving Outlook. Organize your documents, move files between folders, and keep everything streamlined within your email interface. Save your email attachments directly to WorkDrive. Archive email conversations as EML files. Attach files from WorkDrive with secure links. Manage files online with your team. Boost productivity by integrating WorkDrive with Outlook. Manage and share files without leaving your inbox. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please ask us in comments or contact our team by the contacts on the screen. Have a great day.